My dear friends, if you are learning something new every day, being a homemaker, a mother, and a daughter in law is not easy. Every single day, you take care of your family, manage the house, and solve the problems. But in the middle of all this, are you giving some time to yourself? Self study is not just about gaining knowledge, it is about upgrading yourself, becoming more confident, and create a better version of yourself. Don't study because you want validation for others. Study because you deserve to grow. The biggest validation should come from yourself. Even if you are give just 20 or 30 minutes a day, start today, read a book, improve your English, learn a new skill, or watch an educational video. Small effort every day create big challenge over time. Remember, when you improve yourself, your confidence grow, your child learn from your example, and your family also benefits from your knowledge. So never think I am just a homemaker. Motherhood is a challenging many times just when we are reading to study or learn something new. Your child needs your attention. I have experienced that too. But instead of giving up, I learn whenever I get a few minutes. Sometimes even I feel burnt out, I feel tired, unmotivated, and I just want to take a break. But I remind myself that growth doesn't happen by giving up. It happens by keeping going. So I take a deep breath, rest if I need to, and keep I feel pushing myself. I truly believe that teaching elementary student is one of the biggest challenge compared to teaching higher classes. Because often think that teaching older student is more difficult because the subjects are complex. But from my experience, the opposite is true. I have taught in a degree college, and nowadays I also teach mathematics to class 9 and 10 students. They understood why they are studying, so they are usually more focused. But when you teach young children, the biggest challenge is not the subject, it is keeping their attention. Children are naturally curious. Their mind get disturbed every quickly. One moment they are listening carefully, and the next moment they are looking out the window, talking to a friend, or thinking about something completely different. As a teacher, you can't just explain a lesson, you have to make learning fun. You have to use stories, activities, games, and lots of energy to keep them engaged. That's why I have a great respect for elementary teachers. They don't just teach subject, they build the foundation of child's futures.